Our high-speed chilling tunnels maintain strict temperature controls to prevent microbial growth and maximize shelf life.
Crates of certified or chickens move along the conveyor. Workers monitor digital displays showing
A specialized intake system gently transfers the organic chickens, minimizing stress. A worker
The inspected organic chickens enter a complex sorting junction. A large robotic arm classifies the pull.
The primary flow of perfectly graded certified organic chickens moves rapidly along track A.
Maintaining strict temperature controls, the process moves through high-speed chilling. Carcasses enter the primary chilling phase in this massive enclosed tunnel. High-velocity air.
High-speed chilling tunnels and automated deboning stations maintain strict temperature controls for the certified organic fillets. High-speed chilling tunnels and automated deboning stations maintaining strict temperature controls. In Process B,
Back in Process A, the chilled carcasses emerge from the primary chilling tunnel, displaying a consistent, stabilized external.
high-speed chilling and automated deboning maintain strict temperature controls. Dozens of stations maximize yield and
Automated deboning stations maintain strict temperature controls. A perfectly formed
rates. Our high-speed chilling tunnels maintain strict temperature controls. The fillets move on to a specialized cryogenic pre-cleaning.
Automated deboning stations maintain strict temperature controls. The primary product stream enters the
Maintaining strict temperature controls, the certified organic chicken travels down the line.
Certified organic chicken breast fillet, standard white, model P400.
Automated guided vehicles navigate the intensely plowed aisle. For Holland.
The raw stock is pumped through a massive, multi-stage filtration system designed to remove all solids, fat, Automated deboning stations maintain strict temperature controls. The final heat sealing process. High-speed chilling tunnels and automated deboning stations maintain strict temperature controls. The finished packages manifest check complete for model P400.
Verified. We are clear for dispatch.
Strict temperature controls prevent microbial growth and maximize shelf life. The logger can track safe conditions.
The raw broth flows through a series of micromesh filters, removing residual particles.
Maintaining strict temperature controls to prevent microbial growth. In a separate, adjacent laboratory setting.
The blended organic stock concentrate passes through a flash pasteurization unit, rapidly heating the concentrates. High-speed chilling tunnels and automated deboning stations, maintaining strict temperature controls. The pasteurized organics. The volumetric dosing nozzles descend rapidly, dispensing a perfectly measured portion of the thick organic stock concentrate. High-speed chilling tunnels and automated deboning stations, maintaining strict temperature controls. The individual
High-speed chilling tunnels and automated deboning stations, maintaining strict temperature controls to prevent microbial growth and maximize shelf life.
The transcription for this video is Dean.
High-speed chilling tunnels and automated deboning stations maintain strict temperature controls.
While the chicken requires strict cold chain transfer, forklifts rapidly load the shelf-stable concentrate into
Keep it moving, straight ahead to aisle 5.
Watch the clearance on the left. We got the organic concentrate here.
The customer turns the box over, reading the ingredients list, confirming the organic sourcing and high concentration level.
That would be $4.50.
Thank you.
Sourced from our meticulously processed organic chicken, this rich broth provides the perfect base for
The heat and aromatic steam illustrate the quality of the flavor base, created by efficient industrial process B, ensuring zero waste.
Thanks to specialized industrial processing, this highly concentrated stock offers unparalleled convenience and
That's incredibly savory and rich.
The concentrated stock base offers unparalleled convenience, saving time while enhancing quality. Automated deboning and high-speed chilling ensure strict temperature controls, maximizing shelf life.
Process B ensures maximum shelf life and flavor, bringing the ultimate value of the organic chicken directly to your table.
High-speed chilling tunnels and automated deboning stations, maintaining strict temperature controls to prevent microbial growth and maximize shelf life.
Maintaining strict temperature controls to prevent microbial growth and maximize shelf life. The steam